Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today we're discussing how to attune yourself to the frequencies of light and sound. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe right now. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Now, to attune oneself is a state of mind. This is true, but it is also a state of spirit and body as well. Now, when you eat well, when you eat foods that don't contain pesticides, fertilizers, these foods flow through the body. The energy of the food incorporates with your energy and it revitalizes you, helps you perform at a higher level. When you have a spiritual discipline, like being a light worker, an energy healer, someone who helps others, when you are someone who gives of their energy to bring energy to others, it raises your vibration and it makes you more capable of attuning to the frequencies of light and information. Now, the practice of giving light, of attuning oneself to have an intention to receive light and to act as a conduit and bring light to others for their benefit. This is a supremely altruistic action. And this action raises not only your vibration, but the vibration of your ancestors. Type high vibration in the comments if you understand this. Now, when you attune yourself, you breathe and relax. Breathe and relax. You can't focus on bills, problems, and you can't worry about whether or not there will be success in this endeavor. All you need to do is be there. Be present. Be joyful that you are allowed to participate in this process. So, as you attune yourself, realize information and light are entering your crown. Where to focus light becomes intuitive, and how long to give light at a certain location becomes intuitive. So, there is information in this stream. And as you use it, it helps others. So now, if this is your thing, type high vibration. I want you to practice and tell me how it goes for you. Practice for 1 minute. Breathing, drawing light into you, letting it project through your palm, right here, through the palm chakra. Type high vibration in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel. And if you want to acquire Quantum Orgonite, use the link in the description. If you want to join me on social media, use those links in the description. And if you want to join the Facebook group, use the link. And if you just want to donate, use that link in the description. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.